Hello classmates, welcome to Mark TV. Keep calm and learn. For this video, we will talk about third conditional sentences. I know that you are excited to learn this new concept. Come on and let's widen your horizon. Let's start by defining third conditional. Third conditionals are used for past unreal, imaginary situations. The third conditional talks about the past. It is about a condition in the past that did not happen. That is why there is no possibility for this condition. Let's take a look at this sentence. If I had studied hard, I would have passed my examinations. This sentence is an example of a third conditional sentence because it used to talk about impossible condition. Now, let's identify the parts of conditional sentence in the given example. The if clause is, if I had studied hard. Very good. And the main clause is, I would have passed my examinations. In our example sentence, can you identify the verb in the if clause? Very good. The verb in the if clause is had studied. And the verb had studied is in the past perfect. How about in the main clause? What is the verb? Wonderful! The verb is would have passed. We follow this pattern, would have plus the past participle of the verb. Let's proceed to our next slide. If he blank save money, he blank buy a new laptop. Now, what is the correct form of the verb that we will use in the if clause? Very good. The answer is had saved. The past perfect of save is had saved. That is the formula in writing the if clause in the third conditional. How about in our main clause? The formula is would have plus the past participle of the verb. The answer is would have bought. Good job. If he had saved money, he would have bought a new laptop. Let's proceed to the next part of the lesson. This is what we call challenge accepted. In this activity, you will just apply what you learned about conditional sentences. Let's test your knowledge. The task is for you to identify the past participle of the following verbs. 1. Listen. 2. Move. 3. Play. 4. Fail. 5. Follow. 6. Go. 7. Buy. 8. Come. 9. Eat. 10. Be. Once again, your task is to identify the past participle of the following verbs. You can pause the video for more time. Let's check your answers. For number 1, the past participle of listen is had listened. 2. Move, had moved. 3. Play, had played. 4. Fail, had failed. 5. Follow. Had. Followed. Once again, these verbs are examples of regular verbs. 6. Go. Simple past is went. Past participle is had gone. 7. Buy. Bought. Had bought. 8. Come. Came. Had come. Eat. Ate. Had eaten. And number 10. Be. Was. Where. Had been. Job well done. These are examples of irregular verbs. They don't have a specific formula to indicate them in its past simple and past participle. I believe that you are ready for the second part of our challenge, accepted. Your task is to complete the third conditional sentences with the correct form of the verbs in the parentheses. Number 1. If she blank talk to me, I blank listen to her. The answer for the if clause is very good. Had talked. How about in the main clause? The answer is would have listened. If she had talked to me, I would have listened to her. Number 2. I blank be in the band if blank play the electric guitar. In this particular example, we started with the main clause followed by the if clause. The correct form of the verb in the main clause is correct. The correct form is would be. And the correct form of the verb in the if clause is very good. Would have played. I would be in the band if I would have played the electric guitar. Number 3. If blank know you were coming, I blank bake cupcakes. The correct form of the verb in the if clause is very good. Had known. And the correct form of the verb in the main clause is bullseye. Would have baked. If I had known you were coming, I would have baked cupcakes. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. This is your classmate, Mr. Kalma, who always reminds you to keep calm and always leave a mark.